Hey guys, it's so nice to have you back on Burgers to Beast today. For those of you who are new to this channel, I'm Kripa and nutrition is my jam. So I'm sure a lot of you have seen these ads and these big hoardings that promote the use of refined vegetable oil, namely corn, canola and sunflower oil, claiming that it's really good for your heart and that butter is really bad for you because it has saturated fat and apparently that clogs your arteries. But turns out this was extremely misleading advice. Because if you've been following anything on the internet recently, you probably know that cholesterol is not a nutrient of concern anymore. A lot of organizations around the world have come out and supported this very fact. It turns out that it's inflammation and not cholesterol that really causes heart disease. Now, with vegetable oil, they contain a lot of omega-6 fatty acids. Don't get me wrong, you still need omega-6 to function optimally. But the issue is, with our modern day diets, we don't get enough omega-3 from foods like seafood and chia seeds, but we get plenty of omega-6, which causes inflammation in the body. So to function optimally, ideally a ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 should be somewhere around 3:1, but our diets place us somewhere around 26:1. And inflammation is the root cause of disease today. The issue is not just limited to your heart, but also to diabetes, to your gut health, and even autoimmune issues. This whole notion that vegetable oil is actually good for us stems from the notion that vegetable oil actually reduces your total cholesterol and your LDL cholesterol. But as I said before, cholesterol is not the nutrient of concern, but inflammation is, and that's what really hurts your arteries and consequently your heart health. So if at all you want to do something for your family to better their health, consider cutting out all refined vegetable oil. That includes corn, canola and sunflower oil. So this was on what not to use. Next week we're going to cover what best cooking mediums you can utilize in your household. So that's it for today guys. If you like what you see and want to stay updated with the latest fitness, nutrition and health tips, like and subscribe below. Until next time, keep beasting.